Yo, good evening, folks. What's up? Vladimir here. I can't show you my face because I'm ugly. So, these are my personal stuff or researches that I'll be sharing tonight. So inside it is some college stuff that I've considered as some work. Discoveries. These are basically this pile of paper is pretty much an overview of the maths that I did. The first one of these discoveries dates back 2014, derivation for the formula of a point to a line or line to line distance. This is not college, but I think it's worth mentioning. This stuff is in my last year in high school, 2014, fourth year high school. It's 2015. This formula or this equation right here is a Pythagorean triplet generator, which I've discovered just before the first semester of college. Yeah, maybe it was August back then. I don't know. Was it August? X squared plus, so if you put a number for x, which is odd, should be an odd number, it will make three numbers. That this is the first number, x, then the second one would be x squared minus 1 over 2. That's the third one, which is longer side of the triangle, because this is a Pythagorean triplet generator. So if you test 3, so you will have x as for 3, 3 for x. If we put the formula was x squared plus x squared minus 1 over 2 if we let x equals 3, we'll be having 3 squared plus 3 squared minus 1 over 2, that's 4, and the next one will be 5. So these three numbers here are the Pythagorean triplets. So it was, as far as I can tell, it was maybe July or August when I first discovered this. I was really struggling to find integers that make up a Pythagorean triplet, and I've made this one. I don't know. I can't remember exactly now how I did it. Miracle maybe. So the next one on our list is pi formulas or limit formulas. Some diagonal proof. I don't really know what this means. Pi formula, as far as I can remember, something like this. You you make a circle and then just fucking forgot it, but it's about limits. Yeah, and we'll just pass on that. Yeah, see, limit formulas. It's about limit formulas. Some diagonal proof. I've made it a hobby to watch some number file videos on YouTube in this year, 2016, and other math related stuff. Yes. Yeah, I remember in 2015, this Vsauce video of the Banach-Tarski paradox. Also a math video. Banach-Tarski paradox. It's good stuff. It's this paradox. It's a some intriguing stuff in modern maths. Well, you can produce a sun out of a pea. That sounds magic, but magic and fantasy and imaginary, but in modern math it actually makes sense if you know how to play around the rules of infinities. Yeah, it exploits those properties of infinities. You can basically just make a P into an infinite universe. It's pretty weird, right? So next on our list is the proof for Fermat's little theorem, which I thought was mine, and I named it Radimer's conjecture. Some binomial distribution investigations. So this stuff in 2017 was when I had my class with I forgot the name, but the teacher is a small, scary old woman, somewhere around the ages of 40s. Yeah, she was scary for her size. 2017 of somewhere at March or May, I guess, somewhere in those between. Yeah, I've discovered this while my board mates were not around. Maybe it was Saturday then. Yeah, some number theory. I first stumbled upon it when I just use your calculator, and I was using my calculator. If you raise something, any number, can be any number. Let's make it to 5. You raise it to a prime number, let's say 3, and subtract 1, and then divide it by itself. It will always be an integer. Oh shit. Lol. No, you should actually divide it by the prime number. Oh fuck, what the hell? Wait, this is supposed to work.